For a quick and easy protein-packed lunch, I highly recommend trying my chicken spinach quesadilla recipe. I'll start by making the filling, so in a large bowl, I'll place my Greek yogurt, and to it I'll add some taco seasoning, and make sure to mix those two ingredients up very well. Then I'll add my grated cheese, and my canned chicken which I've drained well, and my chopped spinach. Also gonna add some chopped bell pepper for some extra crunch, and then stir all the ingredients together until well combined. Place the mixture aside, and then I'll take my large flour tortillas and spoon a quarter of the mixture on each. Then spread them with a spoon on half of the tortilla. Then I'll close them up and press down lightly so that they stay closed. Then repeat the same process with the rest of the mixture until you have your 4 quesadillas ready to go. Then I'll turn on my pan on medium-high heat and spray with a little bit of oil, and then place 1 or 2 quesadillas at a time in the pan. Once they're nice and golden, flip them over. And once they're ready, place on a tray. Repeat with the other 2 quesadillas until they're all nice and golden. Once ready, you can cut them in half or in 4, and then serve with your favorite salsa or guacamole. And you're ready to enjoy. Find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.